morning, honey. I hope I will never regret making you my wife. I hope you will be the woman for me and that you will be with me forever. I hope your love will never fade away. I love you so much and hope you love me geniusly. I love you, baby. You are making me sad and angry. Why are you behaving this way? You are not replying to me. Talk to me when you see this post. I love you so much, honey, my beloved Habibi. Good morning to the queen of my heart, the sunshine that brightens up my day, and the stars that light up my night as the morning dew gently touches the roses in the gardens of Dubai. My love for you blooms with every passing moment. You are the missing piece that makes me whole, the missing beat that makes my heart sing. Your eyes sparkle like the brightest diamonds in Dubai. Your smile illuminates the darkest of nights, and your touch ignites a fire that burns deep within my soul. Your love is my solace, my comfort, and my strength. I promise to always cherish, honor, and adore you. I will be your rock, your partner, and your best friend. I will love you more and more with each passing day, more with each breath. I take you are my everything, happy, and I am forever grateful to have you by my side. So wake up to this beautiful morning, knowing that you are loved, cherished, and adored by me, Prince Fazza, forever and always. You are the most amazing person I have ever known, and my love for you grows stronger every day. I am so lucky to have you by my side, and I cannot wait for all the wonderful moments we will share together.